Hi, welcome back. Things have moved on a bit since we had a look at the shepherd's hut before. What we've got here is the frame has now been clad. We've got Solitex Plus on the outside here. That's the blue membrane, which is taped at any junctions of the membrane. And then beneath that, we've got a multiplex top board, which is really designed for roofs, but we're using it vertically on the wall on the outside of the plywood frame here. Just want to talk a little bit about the taping. The taping on this has not been that straightforward. What we chose to do was to apply pieces vertically. So we've got all these vertical joints. And the complex bit is when we're talking about the ribs at the top of the wall, where we have basically ribs coming down at an angle and we need to tape there, so the taping is quite complex. We've applied the membrane in strips vertically. We're using the full width, the 1.5 metre width, but that means we've got quite a lot of these tape joints. It was just the easiest way for us to handle it in the weather conditions that we've got. It also means that we've sort of minimised the perforations through the membrane. The only ones we've got are where the screws go through the battens, and we've got Nadec applied to the back of the battens to help us to tension the membrane and to, in effect, behave as a gasket where the screws go through. Just talking about the roof a little bit, what we've got here is we've got the ply frame that you can see, and then to offer some support to the windtight membrane, the Solitex Plus that's on the outside, we've got a 6mm ply over the top of the frame, and then we've got Thermoflex insulation, which is this stuff. It's 100mm thick in this instance, that's going between the ribs and in each of these locations. So from an airtightness point of view, we're using the ply on the walls as an airtightness layer, and then we've taped all of the junctions. We're using Solido SL in this instance. Probably we don't need to, it's just a bit wider than the Profil that we've been using elsewhere, so it's just a bit easier. And then we're going to be putting Intello on the underside of the ribs and stapling that in place, and then we've got the final 6mm ply layer cut to size here that's going on the inside that we'll be using for decoration.